Good afternoon to all. In the last class, we discussed about the revised the content of the fourth unit. So after the class over, we can enhance with the fifth unit, thickness cylinder, thin cylinder as well as the thick cylinders. So based on the thin and thick cylinders, we can clarify within the Fock stress along with the circumferential and the longitudinal stress. So based on the stress, we can solve the problem. So in the yesterday, I recall the problems. May I know the given data to be solve the problem? What are the data available? Length is equal to 4 meter. Diameter is equal to 1 meter. 18. Number 1 meter. Millimeter.
Pressure is 1.5 meters per minute.
So pressure is equal to 1.5 Newton per mm square.
N is equal to 2.1 into 10 power of
2.1 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square.
What is
The Poisson ratio 1 by n is equal to 0.3. So in the case, what they are asking? They are asking the Fock stress along with the longitudinal stress and the changes in the dimensions. Am I right? So based on this data, we can go with the calculation of Fock stress. In later, how to calculate the Fock stress? F1 becomes TD divided by 2T. So pressure is directly available, diameter also available. So 2 into thickness. So you can be putting the value for the above formula. So 1.5 into 1 divided by 2 into 20. So what is the value? One point five for question 0.0375 in terms of Newton per mm square. So this is called as Fock stress. Sorry, we cannot convert it into the unit conversion properly because it can be considered in millimeter. So remaining other part considered the meter. So we want to convert into the millimeter. So 4000 millimeters and 1000 diameter. Am I right? Now we want to replace it for the above formula. So now pressure becomes 1.5 into D is nothing but a 1000 and 2 into 20. So what becomes 37.5 Newton per mm square. Answer is 80. Because becomes 18. So what becomes the answer? 40? 1.6. So this is called as F1. So the Fock stress always comes to the unit of Newton per mm square. Next, what we do? We can find the longitudinal stress is the symbol of F2. So F2 becomes PD divided by 4T. Whenever we calculate the value, this is the value we are getting the half of the answer of this value. Am I right? Can we check it now? So pressure 1.5 into dia 1000 divided by 4 into 18. So what becomes the answer of longitudinal stress? 20.8. What is the unit here also? Newton per mm square. So in exam time, you have enough time, you can go with this formula. Or else you buy 15 by 2. So we are getting the same answer here. Am I right? Next we want to go with the changes in the dimension of the cylindrical tube. So changes in the dimension of So please make note of it.